Hi, I'm Tim Parsons with Food Agility. Today I'm here at the IoT Impact conference and we're running a design workshop. We're looking at data, IoT and the drought. We want to figure out if we can create, understand and then ideate new ways of using tech to solve farmers' problems and help them become more resilient in this variable weather and avoid the boom and bust cycles that they experience. So the first thing we're going to do is actually use an amazing superpower that we've identified in Food Agility, empathy. We're going to hear from the farmers themselves and we're going to see if we can really dig deep into the problems that they experience day to day.
So a lack of rain for me means no green grass, silos are getting empty, low crop potential means low carrying capacity into next year. So this is not about the here and now, this is also about next year.
What everyone's doing right now is taking what they've heard from the farmers and the agronomists and thinking about the problems that could be solved by data and IoT. Here's the tool we've given everybody, which allows you to go through the full cycle from initially experiencing the world of that customer through to ideating, through to coming up with some concrete ideas and then eventually a prototype. It's going to be interesting to see what comes out of it because we have a very diverse group, technologists, business people. Let's see what we get.
Yeah, it was really good. I think it was a really good methodology and it's a really good way to get people thinking about a problem. I really love the part that was added in around empathy. It's like a nice addition to what people usually do in design thinking, and I think it's a really important part to get people to better understand who they're designing something for.
Looking at a problem and a solution with the end user in mind is absolutely vital.
I wanted to understand the nature of the problems facing this sector. The main problem seemed to be that a whole range of different things happen at different timescales. This means that we collectively develop an ecosystem of solutions because no one solution is going to fit all those problems.
The design-led element is key to everything we do, so it was really interesting to see it performed or delivered with a group of disparate but interested people.